You've been told the secret to Manny Pacquiao's success is his legendary speed. That is a complete lie, and it's the reason you'll never be able to replicate his success. Pacquiao's real secret is not the speed itself, but the three-part angle engine that creates the speed and makes it unstoppable. In this video, we are not just admiring his work, we are stealing his engine. Pacquiao's genius isn't a random athletic gift. It is a relentless, repeatable system for creating, exploiting, and exiting from dominant angles. This is the system that every fighter, southpaw or orthodox, needs to understand. I used to watch Pacquiao and just try to be fast. I'd bounce around, throw flurries, and gas out in one round. I was copying the result without ever understanding the process. The moment I decoded the three-part engine, everything changed. Part 1. The probe, the entry. The amateur fighter lunges into range, naked and exposed, hoping their speed is enough. This is a gamble, and it's how you get hit with counters. Pacquiao never enters without a key. His probe is a tool used to blind the opponent and occupy their guard. It's not the jab you were taught. It's a blinding flash or a battering ram. The drill. Practice the blinding jab. It's a quick, flicking jab aimed at the opponent's eyes, thrown as you take your first step into range. Its only job is to create a split second of blindness. Then, practice the power jab, a stiff, jarring jab thrown with full body weight. Its job is to knock them off balance. Probe, then enter. Part 2. The pivot, the creation. You've entered safely. Now you must create the angle. The amateur steps in, stands on the railroad tracks, and trades punches head-on. This negates your entire advantage. Pacquiao understands that the punch is secondary. The pivot is the true weapon. The moment his probe makes contact, he is already executing a hard pivot on his lead foot, swinging his body into the dominant outside angle. The probe and pivot drill. From your stance, throw the blinding jab. As your hand retracts, you are already pivoting hard to your right. Your feet move before your next punch is even considered. Jab, pivot, jab, pivot. You are burning the sequence into your system until the pivot becomes an automatic, unconscious reaction to your own entry. If you're here to learn the systems of the greats, not just watch their highlights, you belong here. Hit subscribe. Part 3. The vanish, the exit. You've created the angle and landed your power shot. Here is where most fighters fail. The amateur admires their work. They land a good shot and stay in the pocket, giving their opponent the chance to recover and counter. For Pacquiao, the fight is a series of in-and-out raids, not a sustained battle. The last step of every combination is the exit. He's a ghost. He lands his damage and vanishes before the target can even turn. The drill. The fire and exit drill. After your probe and pivot, you fire your straight left. The instant it lands, you have two options for the vanish. Either a second hard pivot to your right, or you push off your opponent and glide straight back. Fire, then vanish. You are never there to receive the receipt. You have the three-part engine: probe, pivot, and vanish. But the final secret, the one that makes it all work, is this. Pacquiao is not fighting in the present moment, he is fighting in the future. His footwork isn't just about creating a new position in space, it's about arriving at that position a half second before his opponent's brain can process it. He is a master of forcing his opponents to be permanently late. Stop trying to be as fast as Pacquiao. It's impossible. Instead, steal his system. Use the angle engine to create positions where your opponent is forced to be slow. That is the true path to southpaw dominance. Which part of the angle engine, the probe, the pivot, or the vanish, is the weakest part of your game? Let's get a discussion going in the comments. If you're ready to master this engine, subscribe now. And to see the weapon this system is built to deliver, watch my video on the straight left every southpaw needs to master right here on the screen. Train smart, stay ready.